Right, in our series of transforming mathematics or bringing life to mathematics, today we want to look at how we can use recycled materials, recycled papers to produce a Christmas tree, a turbo Christmas tree. Can be small, can be big, depending on you and the papers you have available. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. Look at my workstation. What can you see? What can you identify? Do you see the usual suspects? A pair of scissors, papers, pencil or pen. We have glue. You see? Look at glue stick. And this time we have a mold or a sample cut. A sample how we will use to get a uniform shape. When we cut the papers, we want it to be uniform. Uniform means same sizes, okay? So you cut them out depending on you how many you want to cut to put together. So this series formula, this shape is cut out. It looks more like a triangle. All right. So we will use either a square or a rectangle. Anyone will do. So are you ready? Let's go. Today we will work with 1/4 of an A4 paper. So this is half of an A4 paper. That's a rectangle. You fold into two. Any side you fold, you will still come out with the same shape. And the final fold, that gives us 1/4 of an A4 paper. When you fold like this, look at this side. They are free. You have four. We will have to maintain this side. We want to place our shape on this side. Do you see? On this side that has not been cut out. You see? There is a reason. You will see why. If you place on this side, you will end up having four cut out. But this time, one just two. Right? Okay. So I'm going to place my mold at the edge so that I get that perfect shape. Good. Do you see that? And now I place on the table and using my pen or pencil, I'll trace out the shape. Good. There I have my shape. So when you do it like this, it depends on how thick you want the tree to be. Here is my sample. How thick do you want the tree to be? Depends on how many cutouts you will do. Okay. So as a demonstration, let me just demonstrate how you cut out. So with my scissors, you hold them down together and we cut. If the paper is thick, it will be difficult or technical for you to cut out. If you need help, ask daddy or mommy or any adult who is around you at the time you're doing the project. Any hard paper will do for this project. Any hard paper will do. Good. So now since we did the cutout on the right side, look at, if we did this side, it would have come out like this, which is what we don't want. So you get it like this. Cool. Do you see? Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So now we have this. So you need many. But for this demonstration, I will use just these two because I've already done it, right? So we'll see the one I've done. So when you cut out maybe four, three or four, depending on how thick you want your tree to be, you will just apply glue behind and just stick them together. So I will just use this as a demo. How do you apply the glue? Now I'm going to use this glue because it's convenient for me. So different projects, different materials, okay? So you have to sort out which material to use best. So I leave it folded, then I just run it on the glue. Make sure you don't make a mess where you work. Now, just going to fold it like this. You see, position it like this, and I just slide this in. Can you see that? There are different ways you can assemble them. Any way you think is convenient for you, just go ahead.